Little Patriot's Republic Day. Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a curious and enthusiastic little girl named Aria. She was always eager to learn new things, and her favorite day of the year was Republic Day. This year was extra special because her teacher had planned a surprise for the class. On the morning of Republic Day, Aria and her classmates gathered in the school courtyard, excitedly waving small tricolor flags. The school was adorned with vibrant decorations, and everyone was dressed in their patriotic best. Aria's teacher, Mrs. Sharma, stood at the front with a mysterious box.
"Happy Republic Day, my little patriots!"
Mrs. Sharma exclaimed.
"Today, we have a special activity that will help you understand the importance of our Constitution and the values it upholds."
Intrigued, the children gathered around as Mrs. Sharma opened the box to reveal a set of colorful puzzle pieces. Each piece had a symbol representing freedom, justice, equality, and diversity, the core values of their nation.
"Our country is like a beautiful puzzle, and each one of you plays a crucial role in completing it,"
Mrs. Sharma explained. The children enthusiastically grabbed the puzzle pieces and started assembling them. As they worked together, Aria realized that each piece was essential for the puzzle to be complete and meaningful. Just like the diversity of her classmates made their class unique, the diversity of the puzzle pieces made their country strong and vibrant. Captivated by the activity, Aria exclaimed,
"Our country is like a big family, and we all have different roles to play, but together we create something beautiful."
Mrs. Sharma nodded with a smile.
"Exactly, Aria. Our Constitution is a glue that holds us together, ensuring that every citizen is treated with respect and dignity."
The children finished assembling the puzzle, and the sight of the complete picture filled their hearts with pride. Mrs. Sharma concluded,
"Remember, my little patriots, the strength of our nation lies in unity, diversity, and the values enshrined in our Constitution. Happy Republic Day!"
As Aria and her classmates stood together, holding their completed puzzle, they understood the true meaning of Republic Day, a celebration of unity, diversity, and the shared values that make their country strong. From that day forward, Aria carried the lesson in her heart, knowing that she, too, played a vital role in the grand puzzle of her nation.